Need to cancel your Loom paid plan? Here's how. As of December 2025, the process is straightforward. First, log into your Loom account via the web app. Then navigate to Settings, usually found in the top right corner. Next, click on the Billing tab. Under Manage Subscription, you'll find the option to cancel plan. Click this and confirm your cancellation via email. Remember, cancellations are effective at the end of your current billing cycle, whether it's monthly or annual. You'll retain access to paid features until the cycle ends. No phone support is available for cancellations. It's a self-service process designed for ease of use. After cancellation, you'll revert to the free Loom plan, which has limited features and storage. Let's clarify Loom's refund policies. Full refunds are typically only available within the first 30 days of a new subscription. If you cancel after this initial period, prorated refunds are not automatic. You can request a prorated refund by contacting Loom support, particularly if you've experienced technical issues. However, approval is discretionary and not guaranteed. Change of mind refunds are generally not granted after the initial 30-day window. Tools like prorated refund calculators can help estimate potential refunds. For annual plans, canceling early means forfeiting the remaining period without an automatic refund. Billing disputes can be escalated to Loom support for review, usually resolved within 7 to 14 days. Keep in mind that Loom is experimenting with usage-based billing, which may offer more flexibility in the future. As expert opinions suggest, more generous prorated refunds could improve customer loyalty.